Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, we have the iJoy Ultras. So this is a brand new over-the-ear headset from iJoy, and they have a reputation with some of the most affordable, popular headphones on Amazon. So the Ultras feature Bluetooth 5.0. They have a nice big over-the-ear design that allows it to go all the way over your ear, so nothing will be sitting on your ear. And then this also has 8 hours of playtime. All that for currently $24.99 on Amazon, and you can even get an additional 5 off with a coupon. All right, so just open the box, slide it out, and it looks like we have a little owner's manual right here. While I'm getting this open and checking these out, I do want to thank iJoy for sending me these headphones for me to review. Thank you very much. So this is basically just a quick start guide and user manual. Then we have the headset right here. After that, we have an auxiliary cable. So this is 3.5 to 3.5. So if the battery dies in this headset, you can plug it in, and then you can plug it into any audio source you have, and you could still listen to music with it. After that, we have a charging cable, and this is going to be a Type-C charging cable. All right, so taking a closer look at the iJoy Ultras here, very nice and sleek design with a nice shiny plastic. As you can see, iJoy logos on each side, on the outside of the headset. Looks pretty good. These are very lightweight and they do seem to be pretty flexible, as you can see. Not a lot of cracking or anything happening, so pretty high quality. The plastic does feel somewhat brittle. When going to the earmuffs here, you can see this is a very soft, lots of cushion available for your head and support. And the earmuff here is definitely large enough to fit over your ear, so no issues with this actually sitting on your ear and causing discomfort. Each side is adjustable, as you can see. And it does have little slots it can lock in, so you can get that perfect fit. This can get very large. Now, one thing to note about this headset, there is no suspension where the earmuffs will kind of conform to your head. So we'll have to see how that feels when being worn. Over here on the right headset, we have all the buttons as well as connectors right here. So we first have a power button in the center right here. So that's going to be used not only to turn on and off the headphones, but you can also put them in pairing mode with that. After that, we have plus and minus, and these can be used to not only turn up the volume, but you can also change the track. On the bottom, we have the charging cable. So this is going to be for the Type-C connector. You just plug that in and then plug in the other side to a power source and it'll start charging. Then we have the auxiliary port. So this is where you can plug in the 3.5 millimeter cable. And then after that, we have a micro SD card slot. So if you have a micro SD card for memory, you can plug that into it and it'll play the music on there. So if you want to go for a run and you don't want to bring your phone or something like that, you can have your music with you without having to have these connected to Bluetooth or anything, which is pretty cool. Additionally, on the bottom here, we have a little hole right here, and that's going to be for the actual LED, and then there's a microphone hole. All right, so now that we've taken a closer look at the iJoy Ultras, let's go ahead and get them turned on, paired with my phone, and then we'll do some tests, including a microphone test. So to begin, we need to put the iJoy Ultras in pairing mode, and we do that by simply holding down the power button until the light down here blinks red and blue. All right, it's in pairing mode. Then I simply need to go to the Bluetooth settings on my phone, and you should look for iJoy Ultra, select that, and then it will quickly pair with it, and you just heard that noise from the headset. So now we're connected.
All right, so as you can see, I'm currently wearing the iJoy Ultra headphones. And all the audio you're hearing is coming from the microphone on the right earmuff over here. So unfortunately, the microphone is not the best quality. You can hear me, you can understand what I'm saying, but the volume is a little low and it is a little bit muffled as well. When it comes to how comfortable these headphones are, like I said, they're very light, and the earmuff actually is very soft on my head, and it does fit all the way around my ear, so there's no pressure being applied to my earlobe.
All right, so as you just heard, that was a quick microphone test of the iJoy Ultra headphones here. And while the microphone is not the best, it is good enough for making phone calls, things like that, because you could definitely hear what I was saying. Now, one feature I did miss in the intro to this video is that this headset does have an FM radio. And if you turn on the headphones, you can use the plus and minus buttons to actually tune through the different stations. I found that the reception was not great, but I'm not really close to a lot of radio stations. So if you're in an area closer to radio stations, you probably have a better experience with the radio. When it comes to the micro SD card slot right here, it is a little hard to get it to actually snap in, but once you get it snapped in, the headphones will recognize it, and then you can go through any music you have on the micro SD card and listen to those as well. Now, when it comes to the audio quality of these headphones, it's kind of what you would expect from a pair of $20 headphones. It's not the best audio experience I've ever had, but it's great for listening to music maybe in the gym or in school. The audio is slightly muffled and the bass is a little bit weak, but like I said, for the cost, it's what you would expect. Now, on Amazon, they are advertising these as noise canceling. And I did talk to the manufacturer. These are not active noise canceling headphones, so they're not going to actively block out noises around you. The reason they say noise canceling is because the earmuff here is big enough that it does block some of the noise around you. And I found that to be somewhat true. If I was in a room with people talking or a TV on, that sound was muffled and it was harder to hear that noise with the headphones on. But like I said, no active noise canceling out of these headphones here. Overall, these are a pretty good pair of headphones for $20 on Amazon, which is probably one of the least expensive pairs of headphones. I like how easy they are to set up with the Bluetooth pairing. They charge via Type-C connector, so you don't have to bring a separate charging cable just for these headphones. They can charge with your normal Type-C. They allow for an auxiliary plug. If the battery dies, you can still listen to music. And I really do like that these have an FM radio in them, as well as the ability to listen to music with a micro SD card. It's pretty cool and actually unique. All right, so those are the iJoy Ultra headphones. If you have any questions about these, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description of this video so you can find these exact headphones on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.